Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've prepared a little step-by-step pole flow choreography for you. And please make sure that you warm up before we start. And before I start with the tutorial, I have to open up my braid. I left it in the whole night and hopefully it will look good. I was sick of just straightening my hair all the time. I guess that's not too bad. Okay, let's start with the tutorial. This is what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. Quick and easy. No, it's not that easy, but it is quick. Let's start. And because it is easier if I film it from the back view, so you can follow as if we were in a studio, I was in front of you, and you are behind me on a pole. We're standing next to the pole and reach the inside hand, which is the right hand, as high on the pole as possible. So we start with a pirouette. Outside leg takes one step closer to the pole. We grab the pole with the other hand and now we turn around and the top hand slides along on the pole. Make sure that your thumb goes over to the other side. Turn, grab the pole, and from here the right leg draws a circle and we go over to the other side. Here we are, and now we slide down a little bit so that we are in a 90-degree angle. And then from this position we go to the left and bring the left knee down to the ground. We open it, slide down all the way, and once you're there, bring the right knee on the ground. Let go of the top hand, and now from here turn towards the pole, and one more time. So we go from here, let go of that hand, slide with your knees together and the feet closed, slide over to the other side like this. What you can hear are my boots, they stick together. Okay, so from here reach as high as possible with your inside hand and use the other hand to push into the pole. Engage your ankles. We're not gonna flex our feet when we stand up because this needs to be one straight line. So we push into the ground with the platform. We stand up, push into the ground, and then bring your hips up like this and slowly stand up. And now you take one step with the right leg and left step with the left leg. And now we are facing the pole. Okay, we do it again, step by step. Starting position, outside leg starts. We go into a pirouette, step, grab the pole, turn around. Now you are in a twisted hand grip with your top hand. And from here, right leg goes first. We slide down the pole to a 90-degree angle and left knee to the ground, right knee to the ground. Change the grip, and from here slide over to the other side. The knees stay where they are. It's just the feet that are closed and that slide down all the way to the other side. So from here, push into the ground, engage your ankles and push over the platform. From here, slowly come up, right and left. It would be great if you could tell me if that was too fast for you or too slow so that I know next time how fast I can go with the choreography. We do it again, but this time a little bit faster and smoother. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step. Pirouette. Come around, go into a 90 angle degree, left knee, right knee. Turn around and stand up from here. Right step and left step. Okay, so far so good. With this choreography, I want to upload more tutorials here on YouTube and want to connect the tutorials over time. So I want to put out more free content for you that you can learn here online, and we can just put it together over the weeks, and then maybe we can create a choreography that is a little bit longer. But for now, we're just going to do step by step, a quick tutorial that you can easily follow along with me in real time, and then maybe we can come up with a really cool choreography. And also, every time I create another sequence, you can give me feedback. What would you like in there? If it's too hard, if it's too easy. So I think that would be a really cool idea. Today was part 1. Yeah, let's just do it a couple more times, and then we're done for today. 5, 6, 7, 8, and pirouette. Come around. Left knee, right knee. Twist. Stand up and step, step. Woohoo! One last time together, and this time I won't talk. 5, 6, 7, 8. I just wanted to say thank you in case you danced with me today. And if you didn't dance with me today, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I see you next week.